What is up, you guys? Welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new. And if you are new, my name is Tawana. I just want to thank you first and foremost for clicking on this video. So today we're going to be doing a requested video. Actually, it is how to shop on the ZARA website. I do know, believe me, trust me, I do know that it is very hard to navigate through ZARA's website because it's not very straightforward. It's a very aesthetically pleasing website, but it doesn't do much for you as far as trying to actually find pieces and how they might look on you. So today I thought I was going to go ahead and do that because some people did ask that I do a video like this, and they said that I have a really good success rate in finding cute stuff on the ZARA website. So I thought I'd show you guys some tips and I guess just little tricks that I use to find what I like from the website and kind of just sift through all that extra, all that extra posing and crap, to be honest, that you see on there. So let's go ahead and get started real quick. Just don't want to forget to tell you guys to subscribe below, join our family. I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers, so please help your girl out. And now let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to really recommend for shopping from ZARA's website is download the app, you guys. Please get on your phone right now, grab that phone, download that app, and it is much more user-friendly as far as that in the website, just like, Googling it and pulling it up. So I would say get on the app first and foremost. A really good thing about the app is that you can actually find things that are out of stock and kind of like, have it emailed to yourself. You can track your orders better on there. It is just so much more versatile as far as, getting what you want from the website, since we know it's not giving. It doesn't give what we want it to give like some other websites do. So help yourself out first off and download that app to your phone. If this is going to be the first time that you're shopping on the ZARA website, I will also tell you guys, use the size advisor, I think is what it's called. So basically it's, you put in your measurements as far as, busts, hips, all that stuff. And it kind of will narrow down what size that you really want to get. I know this is going to come in handy for people that, if there's not a ZARA nearby where you live, or it's just not in the country that you live, then you don't have time. Obviously, you can't get to the store and try things on. And even if you do live in a country where there's ZARA, you can't try things in the store right now, I know, for the US at least. So you'd have to purchase something and then, try it on at home, or then take it back to return it, which is just a hassle. So the size advisor really comes in use for that. I know most websites have this, but I don't think a lot of people actually use them. So in this case, ZARA is usually true to size. So if you put your measurements in, you're going to go ahead and knock out what your actual size is in your clothing. I will say that myself personally, that my size for ZARA is size small in tops, and then I'm size 20. Oh my god, how's the sizing? I always forget the actual sizing for ZARA, like bottoms and so forth. But I'm a size small as far as like dresses, tops, just that sort of thing. Shoes, I take a size 8 because ZARA goes by Euro sizing. If you don't know this, you guys, ZARA is a Spanish store, like a Spanish company, originally from Spain. So it uses like European sizing for your shoes, initially. And they convert that to US sizing, but European sizing in shoes doesn't translate perfectly into 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5. So you're gonna see sometimes that they actually have some of the numbers skip. You might see a 7.5 and an 8, and you might see a 9 right after 8. So look again at your size advisor, pull that up. I know that my size is an 8.5 usually, but I take a size 8 and it does fit pretty nicely. So just, figure that out yourself a little bit. It only takes 30 seconds, honestly, and you'll be good to go. And not have to worry about returning things or Poshmarking things if you don't want to return them. Okay, so now I've told you guys basically get the app for one. I've told you guys about the sizing. So you kind of know, you got your tools ready. You're ready to start. So where do I actually begin? I will say, I'll tell you guys there's 2 ways I kind of go about this. First off, I follow a lot of Instagram accounts that will show me things that are new in ZARA. There's a big TikTok trend. There's a big Instagram Reels trend. Your favorite influencers, honestly, if they, shop from ZARA, are going to tag with a little numbers, the product number on there for you. So you can see how it looks on somebody that's probably, about your size, or you have a general idea of how something's going to fit you before you actually go to the website and buy that. So definitely Instagram is your best friend. I know it is mine when it comes to finding cute things off of ZARA. So I follow something called ZARA Style Daily. Some great influencers that I follow are Thessaly Juliet, Catherine Bond. A lot of girls shop from ZARA, you guys. So if you have a favorite, hey, I shop from ZARA myself. So if you want to check out, things that we buy and how they fit us, obviously follow us on Instagram. So they give me a really good idea of what's in stock for what season. And I kind of go oh, this is cute. Let me get, the product number again. Type that into the search bar on the website, and I find what I like. So that's my, one way to go. Like I said, it's a big trend on TikTok as well. So if you're into TikTok more than, YouTube or Instagram, you can also find like loads of Zara hauls on there, you guys, and they're going to put the product codes on there for you. So you'll be set to find it and search what you like. So the second way that I shop on the Zara website is just the organic, natural way, through searching through the website itself. So I'll pull up my app usually, and then there's two, well, I know I'm kind of like branching off a lot. So obviously you can start by searching things if you know like you're specifically looking for something from Zara. Like if you want pants, you're looking for like, you know, dress pants, work pants, that sort of thing. If you want a cute dress, a black dress, you type in black dress, you type in pants, trousers, that sort of thing. They are going to pop up all the options. I will say that their search feature is very good. Some websites you can't really find things even by color. I can type in orange scarf, it's going to pull up like the 5 orange scarves that are on that website. So I will say again, use your search bar if you're looking for something specific, because if you just go be like, let me just go to new collections, you might end up like me where you buy things that you didn't plan on buying, over shopping when you didn't need to. So if you're just looking for something specific, go to the search bar, search up that, you know, just a generic term for that thing, and scroll to your heart's desire from there, whatever pops up. Obviously, we can go through all the collections and tabs that are actually on the menu, to, you know, the actual menu of what this website offers. So usually I will go just to new collections because, I mean, the seasons change, so I'm looking for things as they change, obviously. I do YouTube and I do Zara hauls all the time, try on hauls. So I want the latest things that are in to show you guys how they fit, what I think about them. So I'm kind of like keeping you guys in the know. So obviously I would click on new collections. Now, this is where it gets tricky. I feel like people are like, this website is not it for me. You're going to see the models doing all types of things, swimming in the ocean, laying on the sand in the beach, riding a bicycle, wearing the clothing, by the way. They're actually advertising the clothing, but you can't see the clothing because they're doing too much. So you're like, what is this? What am I supposed to do with this? It's not giving what it's supposed to give. Now, if you see something and you just slightly think, you're like, this model is doing too much, but I don't know what's going on, click on the model picture, you guys. Still click on it. There's going to be some other product shots. After the models, when you scroll down, it's going to show you just the item, not on anybody's body. But at least you can get like just how it looks, you know, laid down flat against a white surface most of the time. So don't be intimidated by the models and how they look. Click on something, even if you think that you don't even know what they're advertising. You're not sure they're selling the top, the shoes, the pants, who knows. Click on it and give yourself, you know, that extra 10 seconds to scroll through the item images and find what it is exactly. Who knows, you might like it. A really great thing about also clicking on those, like, you know, the further images from the first picture that you see, if you see something within the outfit, like let's say she's wearing a top, a skirt, and some shoes, if you scroll all the way to the bottom again, past all the product shots, at the bottom it's going to tell you something like wear with or items available with. So if she has on like a blue top and an orange skirt, you're going to see that orange skirt at the bottom. So you might be like, this is actually cute. So you might have been actually drawn in by the orange skirt, but you clicked on a product shot for the top. Keep scrolling at the bottom, you're going to see that little, you know, if it's available, of course, if it's in stock, they're going to have it underneath there with the shoes, the accessories, how to style whatever it is that they showed you. So at least you can still find the things that you didn't intentionally go for, or you can create an outfit out of the things that you see in one shot. I will also tell you guys, just mention it really quickly. So Zara tends to drop new items on their website Tuesdays and Thursdays usually. They also have their sale twice a year, usually like June and then end of December. I know last year I shopped like the end of year sale, the Christmas sale. It was December 26th. So literally the day after Christmas is when everything went on sale. Now, another good thing about having the app, you guys, if you have the app, you actually get early access to the sale items. So if you only say like, you know, they tell you December 26th sale starts, it will tell you sale starts for people on the app at like, let's say 9 a.m. But for just a website, it will tell you at 10 a.m. So you're going to have an extra hour ahead of everybody else to shop sale items, which go really quickly. So I will say again, that's why you want to utilize that app again. Now, we're going to go right back to how I say like just shopping, you know, going through each category. Like if you want to look at tops, bottoms, skirts, dresses, going by each like header on the website menu, you got to give yourself some time, girl. Give yourself some time to actually scroll through these things. Take your time. If you're on the app on your phone or on your tablet, have like 30 minutes to an hour and you're like, I'm just going to scroll through these things and see what I like. Go category by category. If you're just casually shopping, you're going to see things, obviously. I will tell you sometimes like the model is not great, but they have actually some really shots where I'm like, wow, this model really sells this for me. And that's when you know when that model's selling it, that you want that item for sure. But if you know your size again and you're able to like figure out, oh, this looks cute on this girl, So, you know, stretchy material, and you'll learn the materials obviously the more you shop on Zara. Like, I can tell you right now, I love their like Limitless Connect collection. The Seamless collection is amazing. Their knits are really thick and comfortable, and even their wool coats are really great. So as you learn more, you buy more from there, you know, little by little, you're gonna have an idea of like how the material fits you better and what's the best ones that you want to purchase, you know, from what they offer. So yeah, honestly, it's not that hard to shop there, you guys. Like, if you know what like styles you're into, obviously everybody has their own personal fashion sense. You're gonna be drawn to that item, no matter if the model is jumping from an airplane, you know, doing a backflip in the product shot. You're gonna be like, oh, this kind of floating away from her body in the middle of the sky. Let me click on that because it kind of looks like my aesthetic of being flowy and, you know, that sort of thing. So I personally, like I said, I utilize a lot of things for, you know, from outside of the actual Zara site, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, just anywhere I can find it. Pinterest has a lot of like great inspiration. And from there, I just go to the website and I take my time and scroll through things. Now, obviously, I'm showing you guys a little bit of what I do and how I search things on the website. It's not rocket science. And yeah, I think that's honestly the main tips. So I think if you kind of like incorporate a little bit of this and a little bit of that of what I mentioned, you're going to have a much easier time navigating that website, you guys. Just don't let those models intimidate you. Believe me. I know it looks daunting. I know it's like very like hard to look past it. But when you do, that's when you're going to see your really cute items. All right, so that was honestly everything as far as my tips and how I shop on the Zara site. I hope that you guys kind of like this type of sort of video since it was a recommendation. I've never really thought of doing it myself. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Do you use any of these tips or are you going to use any of them in the future? Let me know below. Comment, subscribe, and like. Don't forget to like this video. I really appreciate that from any and every one of you. But I'm going to go ahead and end off right here. So I'll see you guys next Sunday for the next video. We'll see what that will be then. But stay tuned for that. And until next Sunday, like I said, bye guys.